Alright guys, so I learned something new on the chart, and right now I want to show you guys so that you guys can get to know it also and get to do the right thing where you get to spot it also on your chart, guys. So lately on gold, I was expecting the market to come back to either this place or around this place due to the fact that I've done my top-down analysis in the market, then get to know where the market is going to exactly. So on my D1 time frame, the market is still bullish, and that's why I had to set up my horizontal lines. So after setting up my horizontal lines in this market, I was expecting the market to come back to those horizontal lines. Then from there, the market now start pushing towards the upside again. So look at what happened in the market right now. On our H4 time frame, you can see that the market is still very bullish, just like they have analyzed in the market. But something happened which I didn't get to know on time, and that's the reason why I couldn't take any trade on this, man. It's crazy, guys, but at least I learned something new on this, man. I learned something new and I want to share this with you guys. So let's go back to our H1 time frame. You can see that the analysis is still accurate and everything is still okay, but this same thing that I didn't get to know made me not to get any trade on this, man. So it was like me wasting my time because of my ignorance or not getting to know what's going to happen on time, because I used to know this before, but right now, maybe due to the fact I don't trade every day again, that's one of the reasons why I couldn't get to know this on time again. So around this side now, look at my expectation areas. I was expecting the market to come back to either this place or we get this place as our first entry. Then if at all we lose at this 34,158.47 in the market, then from there we can get, wait for the market to come back to this place. Then from this side we get to enter again and get to make money in the market. But no, the market didn't go that way, man. So look at what happened around this side. So around this side now, there's this last structure in this place, and this structure now is a very strong one. There's a strong pin bar around this side also, telling us that the whole of this place can go if at all this place gets broken in the market. So the market came and broke this place now. This is the last structure now, but the market is expected to come back to this place, but I didn't get to know that on time. You see how crazy it is, man. So around this side now, the market has come back and has broken this place already. So since the market has broken this place already, what do I expect? We expect some kind of consolidations, just like the way these things happen in the market. I used to know this very well before, but I didn't get to understand it that day, so I couldn't enter the market. So around this side now that the market has been broken already, we will get this consolidation. These consolidations are sign of strength in the market, and after that we normally get things like the market getting to break this other structure. So if I thought I got to follow up with these consolidations around this side, maybe after this bullish candle in this place, then I get an entry around this side, I could have still get to make something from this place to this place. That's a whole lot of money already if I use a very good loss size on the market. And after that, something happened again which I didn't still get to understand on time, man. You can see how crazy this thing is. So around this side, after the market broke this former structure around this place with this new structure, the market still dropped toward the downside. For people that didn't get to understand what is happening in the market, for them to be able to enter. But instead of me to enter around this side now, I was expecting the market to still drop toward this side. So this place was looking more value to me instead of me to follow up with what the market is doing. And when the market came around this place, what the market did, the market came and got some kind of retest around this side, broke this structure also, which is this old structure now. And from there we got what, another retest around this side. So this retest now, from there the market started pushing towards the upside massively, and even till now the market is still bullish for a very long time now. So you can see what is happening in the market, and you can see how ignorance can make someone not to get to know what the market is doing, man. That's why they tell you sometimes, get to marry the chart, get to stay on the chart, and keep trading till you get to know everything about the market, man. If at all I was active in the market and I got to remember something like this, just like what I used to do before, because before I used to be more active on the chart, like watching the chart steady. If I'm less busy, I get to watch the chart and get to know what the market is doing. That's how I used to live my life before. But nowadays I got somehow busy, and sometimes, man, I just get to check what the market is doing and get to place trade, and from there I leave the market and go and do other things. But right now I think I have to bring that discipline back and start looking at the chart just like the way I used to do before, so I can get to know what is going to happen in the market right now. So around this side now, there's another move that's going to happen, which is from this side towards the upside, man. So around this side the market has gotten a retest around this side, and hopefully we get to push from this side towards the upside again. So I expect something to happen around this side, and I'll be taking that in my next trade, man. So if I thought the market gets back to this place, good and fine. If the market goes with this side, good and fine, the market, man. So I will be getting my first entry around this side, and if I thought this place gets to fail me, I get to lose little money in the market, then I'll be expecting this place to be my next entry point. But as for these two places whereby I had to place my entry point before, these two places are not valid anymore for me now. So I'm gonna drag this towards the side. Alright, this is placed around this side now. which is my plan B now, and this is gonna be my plan A in this market. So let me drag this towards this side. So around this side now, this is my plan A in the market. Okay, so let's see what the market has to do for us. Let's see if we're gonna make money or if we're gonna lose money on this, man. But guys, see what I show you right now is very, very important, and if you get to know it, there's no way you're not gonna follow up with the price action of the market and get to make money, man. So that's how we trade mostly. That's how I trade almost every day. I focus on what the market is gonna do after getting my top down analysis and get to know where the market is going to. Then from there we get to follow up with the market and still get to make profit from the market, guys. So that's how I trade mostly, and I expect everyone to do the same thing. Forget the ICT, forget the SMC. Just know the places where the money is gonna be and get into the market and get to make the money. That's the most important thing, guys. Because if you keep following up with all these things that are teaching you about MC, SMC and the rest, come on, bro, you get confused. A lot of these people are content creators. They don't have anything to offer. If you give them the chart now, let them analyze the market and get to make money, they can't do anything, bro. Only few among them can trade the market and get to make money. So when I show you something, believe me, it's 100% accurate because I trade almost every day, and I'm 90% on the chart because I get to study the chart and get to know almost everything that happens in the market, so I don't get to lose money when I should be winning, man. So that's my own concern. I'm more focused on trading. I don't really have time to create more content like that, but I just decided to pass this to you guys, man, because I love you guys and I want you guys to also succeed. So let's get to keep this in mind so that whenever we see opportunities also in the market, we get to strike together and get to make profit, man. So this is a continual pattern, and the market went with the price action, bro. And if I get to see this kind of opportunities next time again, then just know that I'm gonna stack on it massively, man. I'm gonna stack crazily on it. For now that we didn't get to get any entry in the market, so be it, guys. It's crazy, but life goes on, man. So I think that's all for this strategy that I just showed you guys. See you in my next video, guys. Peace and love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bro.